Alrighty. Good morning. Hello, I'm Kelton. I'm the tech specialist at Next Generation. These are my dogs. Today we're going to be doing a Thursday Tech lesson using Bitsbox, which is a program that the Clubhouse has subscribed to that is a online coding program. We get either booklets or in this case PDF files sent to us on a monthly basis. The booklets are filled with instructions and 4-digit codes that you enter into bitsbox.com software, which I will show you how to do, and then it allows you to complete the task. So without further ado, let me pull up screen share here. Let's see here. Share the screen. And that. All right. So over here on the right is bitsbox.com. Back out of this and show you how to get to here. All are having a great day. All right, so when you get to bitsbox.com, you're going to go up to here where it says kids, sign in, and then it will pull up the screen. All right, then you go down to new app, and then we've got our pamphlet over here, which is the PDF file, which I will send to you guys. And I think we're just going to do, let's see here, what one spikes my fancy or interest, or however you want to put it. Yeah, let's see, we will go with, we'll go with the first one. All right, so you're going to take the code that's up here on the left side, which is 3179, or whichever task you want to do, which will then pull up the code entry line on the right. And basically what you're going to do is type in the coding very carefully. It needs to be capitalized properly. It needs to be with the correct punctuation, tabbing, spaces, everything needs to be correctly typed. Or the code will not work. I also like that my little window's in the way here. Let's move that down there. Let's see how this one turns out. All right. So this is defining what the monsters are. Got monster number 5. Monster number 7. And monster number 8. Now we're going to take monster and have the code randomly pick one. So it's now looking, whenever it's searching for a monster, it is now going to randomly pick from the list of the 3 different ones. And after it randomly picks for one, it's going to take a stamp and stamp a picture of the monster on the screen. See if this does anything. There you go. See? Random monster, random monster, random monster. Cool. All right, so now we're going to skip a line here. And now we're going to add a background scene. So, scenes equals either a hallway or the helm or the cargo bay. Again, making sure all the apostrophes and quote marks and commas and yeah, all that brackets need to be correct, or it will not work in the slightest. Luckily, Bitsbox does have a simple debugging software, which will kind of help to show you what line is throwing an error if you have typed it wrong. And once again, we're going to randomize the scene. Hey, Nick. Randomize that, and then we're going to fill the scene. So that, yep. Now it randomizes a monster and a background. Let's see here. All right, and now I'm going to skip down to doing a word from an array. So skip another line, words, and again, we're giving a selection of words to choose from. You can also tell when you don't do something correct because it doesn't color it out properly. So with the market or with the apostrophe, then correctly types it. Now we've got the array set up, so now we're going to have it randomly choose words from the array. Let's see. And then we're going to have to display text on the screen. Now things like the text, you can definitely change up what you want it to say. It doesn't have to be an exact thing. There's no exact science behind a text because since you've donated it as text there, it's up to you. You don't have to spell it correctly, none of the above. So then we're having it add our random word to the text and then displaying it on the screen at these coordinates through the X and Y plane. And then now we're going to skip down to the very end here, and then we're going to add a sound to it. First, let's see if that works. Yep. Random monster, random background, and a nice little phrase at the top. I like this guy the best. He's the cutest. Right. So now we're at line 13, and we're going to add in the sounds. Again, we're doing this with an array so that you can do random ones. You might try different names of words and sounds and pictures and stuff. I'm sure, so there's being a monster 5, 7, and 8. There's probably a 1, 3, 4. You can add in others. Just kind of play around with it some and see what you can get out of it. If it doesn't exist, it just won't work. Now we have it choose a random noise from the list of noises. And there you have it. So now just for a little bit of fun and to add just a couple more minutes to this video, let's add in a few more monsters. Let's see if that does anything. And there's that. There you go. That's kind of how that's going to play out for you. There's a bunch of different ones of these sheets. I will add them in to the description of the video, but that's going to be about it. I'll see you all later.